All right, good morning. This is Andrew Saul with IBEX Growing Systems. We're out at the Tanglewood Berry Farm in Fort Wayne, Indiana, and we're looking at our strawberry growing bench, and here with Richard Barnes to kind of talk about the cycle of growing strawberries in the stage that we're at right now.
Yeah, you can see our plants. We're at the end of the spring harvest, and we're in the end of June, and we just stopped watering the plants at that time because we're going to recycle these. So they look very stressed, and that's quite fine. But what we do with these is we recycle them, we regrind. We will take the plant actually out of the bag and remove the dripper line that was in it, and we often will just pull the bag off, and we can grind up the entire root mass, the soil, as well as the plant. Now, we will advise if you have if your plants still have some latent berries or have been diseased, we would recommend just to snap this part off and discard and grind this. However, if they're healthy and you've been controlling the disease, there's a lot of nutrients in the plants, and it's really good to recycle that also. In a later video, we'll show you how we grind these up and recycle.
Thanks, Richard.